There are several issues that can increase the cost of a divorce. One issue that comes up routinely is parenting time. People get lost in the label of custody. For some people, it's a very important label. For other people, not as much. The laws have changed fairly significantly, and I think that we are in an era where co-parenting is looked upon very favorably as being best for the child. So we do try to focus in on what's in the best interests of the child. But if spouses get lost in what's best for their child, you may need to bring in a variety of experts. There are teams that will listen to presentations by both parents called an SENE. SENE is a social early neutral evaluation. Some counties call it something different, but the focus is to give parents an opportunity to share information about parenting in a scenario where one or two experts then analyze the information, ask questions, and then try to evaluate very quickly what a likely outcome might be, and then help the attorneys and the parties, parents, to mediate an outcome that can keep the fees low. Again, the point is to try and do what's best for the children with a minimum amount of cost. If you have to go to a custody evaluation where your parenting skills and involvement with the child or children is assessed, that can be very expensive. Those can be $10,000 or more if it's a full evaluation with psychological profiles, less if it doesn't include all of that. Another issue that can run up legal fees are business evaluations. When you have a company and it's a closely held company, you may need to have somebody come in and do a business appraisal. That can be expensive. That can be $10,000 to $15,000, depending on the business. Again, when people are angry, we go back to that emotional stage as we've spoken about before. When people are stuck in one of the emotional stages, that's an issue that can really increase costs, because if you're not problem solving, and again, when you're emotionally stuck, you're not problem solving. So if you're not problem solving, you can be creating additional unnecessary fees.